How to fix your Roblox white screen error. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix if you're facing the white screen error on Roblox. Let's just get started. First thing you have to do here is go ahead and search for Roblox and find your Roblox player. Then go ahead and click on Open File Location. Once that is done, right click again on your shortcut and then Open File Location again. And this time you'll find the exe file. Just right click there, tap on Properties. Once your properties open up, make sure you go to Compatibility tab and just go ahead and check this box to run this program in compatibility mode. So if you have a lower version of Windows, you can just select that and you'll be good to go. Then you can also try to run this program as administrator. Just check this box and you're going to be good to go. Tap on Apply and then OK. Once you have done that, the next step you need to do is check your display adapters. You can do that by going over to Device Manager. Once you open up your Device Manager, you can find different adapters here. So go ahead and find your display drivers. Click on the drop down here, find the display driver, right click on it, and then from here you can click on Update Driver. You can search automatically for drivers. If it says the best driver is already installed, you should be good to go. And the final step is to check for any hardware issues. Go to Action, click on Scan for hardware changes, and once it does a quick scan, just restart your PC and your problem should be fixed. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.